A lump sum of $50,000 tax-free, or 1/3 of the estate of your late spouse or ex-spouse? Which award would you select if given the option? Either one could be yours if you were cut out of your late spouse's or ex-spouse's will, or your rightful inheritance was reduced, and you used the spousal right of election to contest the will and win. The spousal right of election, also called taking against the will, is a little-known statute in New York State that protects the rights of widows and widowers in regard to their rightful inheritance. So if you are or were the spouse of someone who recently died, and you are cut out of the will, or your inheritance is far less than you think you deserve, you need to fight back. You'll find the facts you must know in a new and free special report, How to Collect What's Rightfully Yours if your spouse's or ex-spouse's will leaves you little or nothing. This special report explains exactly what the right of election is and who can use it to claim either $50,000 or 1/3 of an estate's net value. The report tells you about the laws of a will, what makes a will valid or invalid. It provides the legal definition of estate, which may be different than what you think. It discusses the rights of a spouse or an ex-spouse, according to New York State law, and to you if you've been cut out of a will or been informed that you won't be receiving what's rightfully yours. What if your spouse or ex-spouse died without leaving a will? Can you still collect part or all of his or her estate? If so, how can you find out what the estate is currently worth, so you'll know whether to claim 1/3 of it or instead the $50,000? Our report provides the answers. As you may know, it's not always easy to determine an estate's total value. There may be valuable assets that have been purposely hidden for one reason or another, or innocently stored where you might never think of looking. Our report suggests numerous places to look and experts who can help you do the looking. It also tells you which assets are covered by the right of election and which are not. And it answers frequently asked questions pertaining to your rights as the spouse or ex-spouse. So whether you'd like to receive this special report for yourself or for a relative or friend, the sooner you request it, the sooner you'll have the important information needed. Simply enter your first name and email address in the form at the right, or call toll-free 1-888-587-1010.